Wagogome, Oisa, Enogbe Wonwe, 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 Wagogome. Edegboyi keko sasi west ya lewo iye mare London ya lewo ola lodo ya lewo ola le buwa pe ola le buwa pe sasi west la lodo ola lodo iye be degboyi ofia ola lodo ya ti lo dukun ya sefen
24 bit omo ya ri awebo 24 bit
Uama. Ise.
Omoga kanu mu.
Wa ti omo pa oyi kun e.
Ise.
Uama wa gbon 24 bit. Uga mi we ya ene jemu. Uga sọ̀rọ̀ yi 24 bit. Uga dogma to wa nyafa. Uga mi we ya rule.
Look at the way our Edo people they happy for 24 bit to bring their brothers come UK. They are so happy. And that's what it's supposed to be. That's what it's supposed to be. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, then you go subscribe so that you go to hear many Ogmonga knows where they come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about our Edo actors, the way they art film, they are so happy say the Gboeji and the Osasoyi West say they come UK because many people be don't feel say they not go fit enter UK. They can never enter UK. Now only then go they come, but God can't do one. You know, that's what it's supposed to be. Make all of us they happy together. We go they bring each other come Europe. You understand? Osasoyi West, I read now me come happy pass for that in you. I see video where this woman come they cry. What they call her Sandoka where she was crying say. Now so though industry supposed to be before, but they not can't change everything. That's what it's supposed to be. As all of them they come, like everybody they come. No jealousy again. Everybody go they happy together. Don't be say one person go join one male in one just they enter the Europe they eat the money. No, as everybody they support each other now. Person when I go see happy now if you still come, now be shine. If shine still come now go see they happy. You understand? I am so happy. I am so happy. Say, Osasoyi West come and the boy is the second time now. And now the way boy they say don't feel come before say not get passport. Now they come not like farm. Now so it be. Now so it just be. You need some more reggae. You know when she do the art film. You know when she do the art film, but God can't do it. You can't see enter the Europe. You can't enter UK. Not be even Europe. UK, whatever they speak correct English, you know. I am so happy. I am so happy, my darling people. Don't understand how they happy. They lie. I am so happy. Say they finally enter Europe. They finally enter UK. I go put the video now more and say my darling people. I say suppose be more the jealous each other. Be everybody they happy together. And so they equate meeting have ya anyo. And not be say one person go you want mole one they come. No, you know it's not done like that. I understand my darling people. Okay, my Ogbonga people, I don't want to think about this video. I want to leave a comment for the comment section. Bye.
Yeah. Ekele sangwa le miena. Ha, wa mutu ya wege.
Egbe wa. Era agweri geri to boy egwu.
Ori kama wa.
What you talk?
Eru egwu, o wa na wa gboro wa na poku se. O ni yi. Wa gbe fo to rege, era wu. Eri mata. Enme wa ta na kin me go woji. Odo de ba do awon. Ede gbeyi ke ko sa si west. Ya na wo. Iye ma re London. Ya na London. Ola London. Ya re London. Ola me ku wa pe. Ola me ku wa pe. Sasi west na London. Ola London. Iye me de gbeyi opia. Ola London. Ya ti ro dukun a. Aya side fence.
24 bits omo ya area we bo. 24 bits.
24 bits. Pour ma.
Iṣẹ́.
Ọmọ ra kan nu. Pour ti ọmọ pa oyi fún ẹ.
Iṣẹ́.
Pour ma wa gbọ́ 24 bits. Pour mi ìwé ya ene jẹ mu. Pour a sọ̀rọ̀ yìí 24 bits. Pour a dogma to wa nyan ma. Pour mi ìwé ya ru le bi o. Wo se ne se ma je. Pour ne se ma je o dan e o ya pon mi. West 24 bits West. 24 bits omu yan. Voilà tene. Wale go meta ma no vi amu iku.
You be fa kuno to my no ata.
Be Martin.
You need cigar o mo ege. Kwo no.
Why mo yin so mere ge?
24 bit na. O we mu la we bo. Ye ha o re we bo no na.
Why gwi?
Ye ha o re we bo no.
Say do man wa wata wa shut up. 24 bit all you born ne.
Ya pe.
Eh so na we you born.
24 bit. O sabo ade ba. Ebi ya pe nu bola mo na to sabo awe.
Ise.
Work mo ke ya pe. E ma ki to ge no ni eju epo.
Ise.
Iyo bolu wu ma na o sabo awe we.
Ise.
O isa
Na gbe owe. Baba me.
So isa na gbe owe. Baba me o isa na gbe owe. Baba me o isa na gbe owe.
They cry. No, I must record it. If I don't record it, wait till again. You don't do now, no cry again. Don't do.
I'm so happy. I want to say thank you. Because I don't even forget one day where within location Usakan will be the title produced by Messi Erabo. That one we say Eneniano.
A blessed memory.
As we record finish, I can't tell you to say me oh wait, let's go on convoy. Meanwhile, nobody drive come. So more use leg, take trek. That day, I swear, say God, let a day come where we say we'll drive. Everybody go use car. Take use this convoy. Take go. And today happen.
Should I drop the phone?
Everything when they pray for say God. Solomon I want the oh we afa we aye we me America me awe show me Canada me ya ma awe show. Make peace and love reign for this industry. It was what I ever wished for. I'm so happy for today. I'm so happy. Tears of joy. I'm so happy to see us in the US, in the UK. The way you're here again, somebody again. Now what I pray for? Say when they pass each other for hair. Because I watch when Stephanie Okere can do marriage for abroad, he colleague buy tickets. They go the event. I say, God, when? So when our hotel reach, our love lost. If na man, if na woman, oh, they are not no, will bring division to our industry. Make God beg me to expose them.
Amen.
If na man, if na woman, bring division to